Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. We are from Group 2 and we are going to present Physaloptera species.
So the objective of the founding is to observe the morphological differentiation of Physaloptera species gathered from the murine species in the Indonesia and some islands from East Asia. So for introduction, nematode genus is Physaloptera rudolfi. Infestation site of this nematode is elementary canal, which is mainly at the stomach. The species infected is amphibians, rodents, birds, and mammals. Nematode species that are found is Pingasai in Indonesia, P. epidemic in China. The morphological identification is by light microscope and electron microscope.
Next, the result. The first one is medium-sized toadworm with a finely striated triangular cuticle and a unicolorate. Secondly, the mouth of Physaloptera is elongated, surrounded by two developed lateral pseudolabia. Esophagus divided into anterior short mastoidal portion and posterior long medullary portion.
So these worms share common morphological feature except for R. argentivector, which is different in number of uterine branches, while P. epidemi is morphologically identical to P. banfieldi but has slightly larger eggs, while P. calvensis, circularis, inamis, longis macula, ruenzoris, and securi have not previously described a uterine branching pattern. And the next point is, male worm have well-developed vesicular caudal allee, prominent area rugosa and fast medial pores, while female worm have a slightly posterior vulva, long, muscular vagina, and a round, often distended tail.
Based on the research, the uterine branching pattern has been considered crucial, notably to Physaloptera species in Southeast Asian murines. Physaloptera apodemi and Physaloptera gochi pose challenges in differentiation based on external morphology. Despite a lack of strict host specificity, both species are widespread in Southeast Asian murines. Apodemi species, naturally found in insular location, show Physaloptera apodemi presence, possibly due to Pleistocene land bridge. Genetic analysis indicate distinct lineage for Apodemi agressus on Jeju is compared to the Korean Peninsula and China. Rafting deepest is suggested for Apodemi species on the Izu Island with intriguing mitochondrial cytochrome B gene variation in different regions, as observed by Kazushima, Miyakijima, and Izu Oshima.
It was reported that the host rats and their Physaloptera were apparently introduced by human activities because the islands in the Pacific do not have any endemic rodents. The main host of Physaloptera in this journal is the murine rodents. They live inside the host stomach and firmly attached to the gastric mucosa. The uterine branching pattern can be confirmed by a destructive examination because of these worms are generally stout and resistant to clearing procedure. The shape of the spicules and caudal papillate arrangement of male worms are used as useful distinguishing features. However, the spicules normally position obliquely in the thick body to prevent accurate in situ measurement. The similarity and dissimilarity of the left and right spicules can be different in some species. Furthermore, the caudal papillate arrangement in males of Physaloptera may have intra-specific variations. The locality of Physaloptera apodemi are mostly located at humid areas such as Izu Island from Japan, Jeju Island from Korea, and Kalimantan from Indonesia.
So next I will continue with the conclusion. In Southeast Asia countries, the Physaloptera species mainly affect the alimentary canal of amphibians, rodents, birds, and mammals, specifically in the stomach. The common species of Physaloptera in Southeast Asia is Physaloptera gochi and Physaloptera apodemi, which resemble each other but have distinguishable size of eggs. And the male Physaloptera have caudal papillae that can be used to distinguish itself from the opposite sex. So that's all from us. Thank you.